Welcome, I'm Chavi Sompura and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Flooding and severe weather lingered in the north-central US through Monday night. A stormy pattern will bring another round of severe weather to parts of central United States on Monday night, with the risk of flooding and risk to lives and property. Cooler and drier air moved into the northeast on Monday, which will work to quell any severe weather. But as a brief surge of warmth and moisture occurs in the Midwest into Monday night, some areas will again face heavy to severe thunderstorms. Thunderstorms were severe with localized damaging winds and hail into Monday night, said AccuWeather meteorologist. A couple of tornadoes cannot be ruled out early on. With some areas having several consecutive days of thunderstorms, the ground has become saturated. Even where only one or two storms occur, any individual storm can contain very heavy rain and the risk for flash flooding. This is what happened earlier during August in Milwaukee, where more than 6 inches of rain fell in a matter of hours. Repeated rounds of thunderstorms will create instances for flash flooding, poor visibility, and travel disruptions. Grand Rapids, Michigan is enduring its 7th driest summer on record so far, with 5.70 inches of rain. While rain is not going to end the drought, it will at least help to dampen the top layer of the soil for a few days, said senior AccuWeather meteorologist. By Tuesday and especially Wednesday, the Midwest is likely to have a break from the persistent rain and thunderstorms. Thunderstorms will move farther to the south and east, and cooler and drier air will infiltrate much of the Midwest and Great Lakes. Hurricane Erin has strengthened to a Category 4 storm as it threatens to bring life-threatening surf and rip currents to the eastern coast of the United States. The NHC forecast is for the core of Erin to pass to the east of the southeastern Bahamas today and move between Bermuda and the eastern coast of the US by the middle of the week. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.